students. Today we are going to study in your textbook series page number 76, next one chapter. Let us observe and understand. You see this picture? See this picture here. This observe the picture and write the answers. See here zoo. In this zoo here different types of animals. Then you observe this picture. First question, see how many crocodiles are there in the zoo. In this zoo, how many crocodiles you see here? Crocodiles. Here only 2 crocodiles. Then second one question you see, what is the total number of monkeys and deer? Monkeys and deer. Firstly you see here how many monkeys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 monkeys. And how many deer? You see here deer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and this 5 means total here number of animals 30. Which animal are least in number? Which animals are here least in number? List means here minimum numbers. Which animals here? Rhinoceros, because rhinoceros only 1 here. Then fourth one question you see, which animals are most in number? Which animals are most in number? Maximum number of animals. Which animals here? Deer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 deers. Means these animals are most in number. Then next one see, which animal do you like the most? In these animals, which animal do you like the most? Here maximum numbers of students like most of these animal monkey. Then name the second one question you see here, name the animals which are equal in number. Name the animals which are equal in number means here some animals are here 2 in number. Which animals 2 in number means this equal in number? Elephant, crocodile, here giraffe, here tiger. These are the equal in number. Then next one you see this picture. Next one chapter in your textbook you see this page number 76. Sorting, classifying and forming these groups. Look at the picture. Different types of objects are kept on the table. Sort out the objects from different groups of drawing the correct number of objects in each group, and you write the number of objects in each group. Means here you see here different types of objects. First one here groups is given here. Objects is given. Group of bowls. How many bowls are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you write here total number of bowls 4. Then group of spoons. See this spoon. Which spoon? This spoon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you draw in this column spoon picture and you write here 5. Then next one group of forks. You see these forks. 1, 2, 3. 3 here forks. Then you draw here picture this fork and you write here answer 3. Then next one group of plates. Plates, see how many plates? 1, 2, 3, 4. You draw here the picture of these plates and you write here in front of this answer 4. You see this picture in your notebook. You make this column here groups, objects, number of objects in the group, and you here first one write group of bowls. You draw here picture of bowls and write the number. Then group of spoons, draw here picture of the spoon and write the number. Group of fork, this also draw picture and write the number. Then group of plates, this here also draw picture and you write this number. And in this page number 76 you see this, observe the picture and here questions also given and you write these questions answers. Okay, then in homework you complete this page number 76. You see this picture. And first one question you see here, how many crocodiles are there in the zoo? You see this picture. All of you have textbook. no textbooks. Then I am giving here questions and you write only answers. You only observe this picture. Okay. Then first one question, see how many crocodiles are there in the zoo. How many crocodiles are there in the zoo? Second question, what is the total number of monkeys and deer? Third one, which animals are listed in number? Which animals are listed in number? Fourth one, which animals are most in number? Most in number. In Homer, write the answers. Okay. Again one question, which animal do you like the most? Which animal do you like the most? In homework you complete this. Okay.